Hagfish secrete slime for defense. This slime is gooey and fibrous. Hagfish possess glands along their bodies. The slime rapidly expands when in contact with water. It clogs predators' gills effectively. This often makes predators release the hagfish. Hagfish slime production is immense. The slime offers a unique defense mechanism. Predators struggle against hagfish slime. Hagfish can escape using their slime secretion. The slime invested in water, creating barriers. Predators find themselves overwhelmed by slime. This adaptation ensures hagfish survival. Hagfish are unique creatures in marine life. Their defense mechanism is exceptional. Slime production happens almost instantaneously. Hagfish defense is activated when threatened. Their survival strategy is highly effective. This ability is unique among marine animals. Hagfish slime has interesting properties. Marine predators learn to avoid hagfish. Slime secretion can deter persistent predators. Hagfish are less preyed upon due to slime. Their exact mechanism remains a study interest. Hagfish contribute to ecological balance. Their slime protects them in vulnerable moments. Advanced adaptations help hagfish thrive. Understanding hagfish enriches marine biology. Their defense is a marvel of evolution. Hagfish are living examples of adaptation.